Friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Battleground. Today we will discuss the setup and logic behind the trade which I did in Portal Crypto Coin. So you know very well that my strategy is the volume with price movement. Very simple strategy that I can follow. And as you know that I explained earlier in my video that here you can see in 15-minute chart. Here you can see a big price movement from there. If we measure that here up to more than 140%. So what is the reason behind that movement? Here you can see this is volume. So from volume the price move upside. So you understand why any coin or cryptocurrency or stock market or any stocks is moving upward due to the significant increase in volume. You can see here bunch of volume, not a single volume. So when one bunch of volume came, the price is moving upside. Here clearly you can see that. So very simple method work in market, not a complicated method. You cannot apply any other space, any other planet method. You can apply only simple and basic method so that you can become profitable. I explain you that when the volume came with increasing price, here you can see that when volume came, the behind the price and volume is very tiny and found in narrow range. So after that, I was shifted in 1 minute chart. So clearly, I can show you that when I shift 1 minute chart, the first movement is considered as this movement. I can show you that it is P1. It is P1. So after that, price is fall and doesn't within a range of 30% from the top. So after that, this price move upward. I waited for entry when price is within short range, and with the increasing volume it break out. So it doesn't happen at the whole night the price is within the range. After that you can see here that in morning 5:43 candle a big spike came here. You can see the price is within a tiny range, and top you can see that price is top within a top range, holding the top range. You can clearly see that. And when the price is breakout upside from the range with increasing volume, you can see very volume is very increasing. So my entry is there, and I achieve here one receive for target here. So you can see that what a big movement. If I mark my entry, firstly I erase it. Here my entry in 1 minute time frame, and here is my SL. So if we measure the ratio, here you can see that I achieve more than 1 ratio 5. You can see that from there it moved more than 40%, 45%. What a great move you can capture in crypto. Stock market doesn't show this type of movement because there is a circuit limit of 20% in the most of the stock. So stock market of India is not a great move, showing great move, but the cryptocurrency and US market had you if you have ability to capture a great move in US market and crypto coin, you can take it because there is no limit. In cryptocurrency there is no limit. Some coin also move 80, 100% move within a span of 5 to 10 days. So this type of trade you can get by simple study. When the price is first time price is moving upside across 20-32%, so you can wait for that price is within the range of top 30% for at least 2 to 3 hours. After when price is breakout with increasing volume, you can enter there, and SL is below candle, SL is here, and entry is there, so you get easily a good target. If I erase it, uh, if you trade, if you want to become a trader, so one thing that is very important to that, you always make your risk fix. That if you take a 500 risk, you or if you take $10, $100 risk, so in every trade you make $100 or $10 for at least 20 to 30 times. So you then you can see that you can become profitable if you make always a fixed risk across $10, $100, and achieve 4 times of the risk. So you become profitable for a long run because you loses one and gain four. So most of trader doesn't do that. So when they loses, they lose $10 or $100, and when they make only $5 to $2, $10. If they make at least $40 when they lose $10, so they become profitable. But they didn't understand if you had a 40% accuracy and you take at a you take a risk of $10 and make $40, so you become profitable if your accuracy of 40%, because the 4 trade you can win, you can get 16% return, and 6 trade loss, you can lose 6%. So in the month end you are make 10% overall. So this is game of not a setup, this is game of psychology. So always try to improve the psychology and trade for loss, not trade for profit. If you can trade for loss, then you become profitable in longer run, because if you trade for loss, the risk you have decided, so pre-planned risk you have decided. If you trade for profit, your risk is never decided. So you always lose money because your risk is not decided. You you work like that you are a gambler, but if you have risk decided, then you work like a professional trader, because you know that in my profession per trade this is $10 or $100, and I will, when my price movement is within my favor, so I can make up to 4 times, 5 times. So kindly follow these simple things and trade in cryptocurrency and other markets. Follow my YouTube channel, and one day you definitely grow. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.